Hello everyone, welcome to our math class. In today's class, we are going to learn to construct the angles of various measurement. So let's start. So first we are going to construct 60-degree angle. So for this construction, first we are going to make a base. Okay, we are going to draw base. So this is our base. So either we can draw our angle from this side or this side. Okay, so first I'm going to draw the 60-degree angle from left hand side. Left hand side means I'm going to use the point A. Okay, so I'm going to draw 60-degree angle from point A. So first what we'll do is taking point A as a center and radius of some convenient radius, we are going to draw semicircular arc. So this one is semicircular arc. Now again taking this point, let us name this as P. Now taking P as a center, we are going to cut this arc. Okay, so this radius of the compass should be same. Now here this arc cut down here. So now we are going to draw a ray from A and this point. Okay, a ray passing through A as well as this point. So this is our 60-degree angle. Okay, so similarly, let us draw the 60-degree angle from point B as well. Okay, first we'll take point B as a center and with some convenient radius. Okay, I'll increase the compass radius. Okay, so first step is we are going to draw a semicircular arc. Okay, now taking this point, okay, I'll name this point as C. Okay, now taking point C as a center and compass with same radius, will cut this arc. Okay, here it is cutted here. So now we are going to make a raw from point B passing through this point. Okay, so this is our 60-degree angle from right hand side. Okay, so let us verify by using protractor. So look here, in protractor we have two scale. One is inner scale and another is outer scale. So how to use this protractor? Here first I am going to measure the angles from left point. So left point means here the rule to use the protractor is LIRO. That means here when you are measuring the angle from left hand side, you are going to see the inner scale. Okay, this left inner. So inner scale, this is our 60-degree angle. Similarly, if you are measuring angle from right point or right side of the line, then you are going to see the outer scale, right outer. So here outer scale, it is 60-degree. Okay. Now we are going to construct 120-degree angle. Okay, so for that, first is we are going to draw base. Okay, so first this is our base of the angle and I'll mark this point as B and this is O. So from here we are going to construct 120-degree angle. Okay, so we are going to make this O as a center and draw a semicircular arc cutting the ray OB. Okay, so here this arc cut ray OB at this point. Now taking this point as a center, we are going to construct another arc to cut our previous arc like this. Okay, so now we will take this point as a center. Okay, this point as a center and we will make one more arc like this. Okay, so this is our final point. So we will get a 120-degree angle if you draw a line or ray from O passing through this point. Okay, so this is our 120-degree angle. So this is our 120-degree angle. So let's verify by using protractor. Okay, so this is our 120-degree angle. Okay, next let us draw 30-degree angle. Okay, so here also first we are going to draw base. Okay, so this is our base of the angle. So I'll name this as OB. Okay, so now first we'll take this O as a center. O as a center with a convenient radius. We are going to make first semicircular arc cutting the ray OB. Okay, so here this point. Now next we are going to take this point as a center. Okay, so this point as a center, we are going to make another ray here. So this, we know that this is our 60-degree. Okay, so I'll name these 2 points as A and B because we are going to construct 30-degree angle. So what we are going to do is, again we will take this A as a center and we are going to draw one arc here. Okay, somewhere here, one arc here, and again taking B as a center. This B as a center, we will make one more arc to cut our previous arc. Okay, so this is our point of intersection of two arcs. Now from O, let us draw a ray passing through this point. Okay, passing through this point. So this is our 30-degree angle. Okay, so this is our 30-degree angle. Let us use protractor to verify this angle. Okay, now this is our 30-degree angle. Okay, now 90-degree angle. Okay, this is also the same. First we are going to draw base. Okay, so this is our base of the angle and I'll name this as OB. Okay, so our first step is same. We will take O as a center and with some radius, okay, we will draw a semicircular arc like this. Okay, so first we will take this point, okay, this point as a center, and then we will draw another arc to cut the previous arc. Okay, this is our 60-degree, we already know. So again we will make this point as a center and with the same radius of a compass we will make another arc. So this arc is 120-degree. Okay, so now for 90-degree what we are going to do is, I am going to name this point as A and this point as B. Okay, so what we are going to do is, first I'll take this point A as a center, and draw one arc here. Okay, and again taking B as a center, with the same radius of a compass. Now we are going to make another arc to cut this arc like this. Okay, so now through this point, if you draw a ray from O passing through this point, then we will get our 90-degree angle. So this is our 90-degree angle. Okay, so I'll name this as A. So this angle is our 90-degree angle. Now let us verify by using protractor. Okay, so here we got our 90-degree. Now next is 45-degree angle. So first we are going to make a base. Okay, so this is our base. Again I'll name this as ray OB. Now first we are going to take O as a center. So first steps are always same. So taking O as a center, we are going to draw a semicircular arc cutting the ray OB. Okay, so here OB is cut here. So now taking this point as a center, Okay, this point as a center, we will cut this arc. Okay, here. Okay. Now next, okay, for 45-degree angle, we can draw this 45 by two ways. Either by first drawing a 90-degree angle or by drawing the 30-degree angle. So I am going to, first I am going to make 30-degree angle and then use 30-degree angle to make 45-degree. Okay. So we already know that to make 30-degree angle, we will take these 2 points, this A and B, to make 30-degree angle. So I'll make this A as a center and draw one arc here. Okay, and similarly I'll take B as a center and another arc here. So this is our 30-degree angle. Okay, so passing through this point. So this is our 30-degree angle. Actually we are constructing 45-degree angle. So I'll just make this line dotted line, because our main aim is to draw 45-degree angle. Okay, so this is 30-degree angle. Now for 45-degree angle, what we are going to do is we will take 2 points. Okay, one point here and another point is this point B only. Okay, so I'll name this point as C. So first what we are going to do is, first we will take this point C, and then make one arc somewhere here. Okay, one arc here, and again we will take point B and cut this arc. Okay, here. So this point. Okay, here both the arc cut here. So now we are going to make another ray from O passing through this point. So this is our 45-degree angle, this A. Okay, so this angle is our 45-degree angle. Let us verify by using protractor. Okay, so this is our, it is like here. So this is our 45-degree angle. Okay, so 45-degree angle can be constructed in other way also. So I'll show that way also. So here also, first few steps are the same. So first what we are constructing 45-degree angle. Okay, so first what we are going to do is, we are going to draw a base of the angle. So I'll name this base as OB. Okay, so first steps is always the same. Taking O as a center, we are going to make a semicircular arc. Okay, so now taking this point as a center, this time here first we are going to construct 90-degree angle. Okay, instead of 30-degree we are going to construct 90-degree angle. So for 90-degree angle we will make this 60-degree and then we will make 120-degree. So now what we'll do is, we are going to mark this point as A and this point as B. Now let us construct 90-degree angle. For that, first we will take this A as a center and draw one arc here. Okay, now again taking B as a center, another arc here. Okay, so this is our actually 90-degree, but we don't need 90-degree. So I'll just make a dotted line. Okay, make a dotted line here. Okay, this dotted line. Actually we need only this point. Okay, so let us mark this point as C. Okay, and this point as D. Now what we are going to do is, again we will take this point D. Okay, point D, and make one more arc, this arc here, and then taking point C, this point, and cut this arc here. Okay, so through this point, if you draw a ray from O, we will get our 45-degree angle. So this angle is our 45-degree. Okay, I'll name this as A. So this is our 45-degree angle. Let us verify. Okay, so here, okay, here, so this is our 45-degree angle. Now we have learned to construct this 45-degree angle in two ways. First, by making 30-degree first, okay, and second by making 90-degree first. Now we are going to construct 75 and 105-degree. So okay, for that, first a few steps are the same. We are going to draw base of the angle and name this as OB. Now taking O as a center, we'll draw semicircular arc like this. This is our first step. This is always same. Now to construct 75 and 105-degree angle, we need to construct 90-degree first. Okay, so for 90-degree first, we will make this point as a center and cut this arc here. Okay, so again this point as a center, we will cut this arc again here. Now these 2 points. Okay, so I'll mark this point as A and this point as E. First we are actually constructing 90-degree angle. So first I am taking this A as a center and make some arc here. Okay, similarly taking B as a center and cut this arc here. So this is our 90-degree angle. So I'll draw a dotted line, okay, to mark 90-degree angle. So this is our 90-degree angle. Now I'll mark this point as C. Okay, so for first 75-degree angle, we need point A and C. Okay, so first taking A as a center, we'll make one arc somewhere here. Okay, and taking C as a center, we'll cut this arc. Okay, so this is for our 75-degree angle. So this angle is our 75-degree. Okay, for 75-degree we use the point A and C. Okay, so this angle is 75-degree. Okay, let us verify. So this angle is our 75-degree. Now next, for 105-degree, we have to use point B and C. Okay, so I'll take first point B as a center. Okay, I'll make one arc somewhere here. Okay, now I'll take C as a point center. Okay, C point as a center and cut this arc. Okay, here. So now this is our 105-degree. Okay, so I'll join this. So this is our, okay, from here to here. So this is our 105-degree. Okay, now let us verify. So this is our 105-degree. So this much for today. In our next class, we are going to learn the construction of triangles. So till then, keep practicing and thank you very much.